The 18-hour total shutdown called by MANPEC beginning from midnight of November 18 in protest against the Citizenship Amendment Bill has crippled normal life in the state. Educational institutions and major commercial establishments remain shut today. Passenger service vehicles also stayed off the roads of Imphal and other areas during the ongoing shutdown. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee remembered former Prime Minister of India Indira Gandhi on her 102nd birth anniversary today. MPCC observed the birth anniversary at Congress Bhavan, Imphal. Congress leaders, MLAs and party workers took part in the observance. 14 shops at Vino Bazaar of Ukhrul were destroyed to ashes in a major fire mishap that took place last evening. As per reports, 27 Assam Rifles personnel rushed to the site and helped in dousing off the fire. No casualties were reported in the inferno. Childline Se Dosti campaign is underway at Wangzing of Thoubal district under the aegis of District Administration Thoubal and Childline Thoubal. To be mentioned, the campaign is conducted every year from November 14 to 20. Arunachal Pradesh Cabinet yesterday unanimously decided to hold a final discussion with different stakeholders over the Citizenship Amendment Bill. According to media reports, the State Cabinet during a meeting on the bill also decided to forward the recommendations to the Ministry of Home Affairs.